Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails in bulk. First, determine your desired batch size, considering how many servings you need. Select recipes that are suitable for large quantities, avoiding anything that relies on carbonation or delicate garnishes. Pre-batching non-alcoholic components like fresh juices and homemade syrups will save significant time later. This preparation ensures consistent quality and flavor across all your drinks. When scaling recipes, it's crucial to convert all ingredient measurements precisely. For example, if a single drink uses 1½ ounces of spirit, multiply that by your desired number of servings. A kitchen scale can be invaluable for accurate liquid measurements, ensuring your ratios remain consistent. Always taste a small sample of your batch before chilling it down. This allows you to make any necessary adjustments to balance the flavors perfectly. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your bulk cocktails. Store your pre-batched drinks in clean, airtight containers in the refrigerator. This keeps them fresh and prevents oxidation. Ensure the batch is thoroughly chilled for at least 2 hours before your event. When it's time to serve, have your garnishes, like citrus slices or fresh herbs, prepared and ready to add individually. This keeps them looking vibrant and fresh. For a smooth serving experience, provide clear instructions for your guests or anyone helping to serve. Make sure there's plenty of ice available, along with water and other non-alcoholic drink options. This ensures everyone has something refreshing. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy, especially after a party. Enjoy your perfectly batched cocktails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.